Hello friends, I will explain Norma frontalis in detail in this video. When we see that skull anteriorly, that is in the front region, the front view, we known as Norma frontalis. The bones forming the Norma frontalis are frontal bone on the top, that is the blue color one. It forms the forehead. Lower part of the frontal bone is irregular and is interrupted by the orbits and anterior bony apertures of the nose. So the next maxilla, the maxilla right and left forms the upper jaw. It contributes large share in the formation of facial skeleton. Next is that nasal bones. Right and left nasal bones forms the bridge of the nose. Next is the zygomatic bones. Zygomatic bones forms the prominence of the cheeks. The zygomaticofacial foramen is seen on this surface. So next are the mandible. It forms the lower jaw. The upper border lodges the lower teeth, whereas upper teeth larger by that maxilla. So these are the bones seen in the Norma frontalis: frontal bone, maxilla bone, nasal bone, zygomatic bone and mandible. So sutures are fibrous joints or immobile joints of the head and neck. So sutures present on the Norma frontalis. So first arrow, it is showing that frontonasal suture lies between the nasal bones and nasal process of the frontal bone. The second arrow, it is showing the frontozygomatic suture. They present between the zygomatico process of the frontal bone and frontal process of the zygomatic bone. It located at the lateral to the orbit. Then internasal suture, that is third arrow showing between the two nasal bones. Then fourth, it is a zygomatico-maxillary suture. The fourth arrow is showing that the oblique suture lies between the zygomatic bone and maxilla. Then some inconstant sutures are present, that is metopic suture. That suture present in between that two halves of the frontal bone, and intermaxillary suture. So these are the sutures located in the Norma frontalis. The structure, some foramina are located in the Norma frontalis. They are small openings. So the structures passing through these foramina or openings we can discuss in this slide. The supraorbital foramen. So it is located on the supraorbital arch, where there supraorbital nerves and vessels are passes. The infraorbital foramen located in the infraorbital arch. Infraorbital nerves and vessels passes. Zygomaticofacial foramen located in the zygomatic bone. The same name, that is zygomaticofacial nerve, that is a branch of the maxillary nerve passes. So last one, it is a mental foramen located in that lower jaw, that is that mandible and anterior surface. The mental nerves and vessels passes through these foramina. So these are that foramina located in that Norma frontalis and the structures passing through these foramina. So some other important features located in the Norma frontalis. So number one, superciliary arch. It is a rounded, curved elevation above the medial part of the each orbit. Frontal sinus is located within this arch. Next is the glabella. Glabella is that median elevation connecting the two superciliary arches. So next is the symphysis mentae. So that arrow showing the glabella. Symphysis mentae, we can see in the center of the mandible, that is the lower jaw. So mental protuberance, it is that elevation present in the lower border or lower base of the mandible. So next, middle point of this mental protuberance is known as the mental point or known as the gnathion. It is the middle point at the base of the mandible. Supraorbital margin. Supraorbital margin, it is formed by the frontal bone. It presents the supraorbital notch or foramen. Infraorbital margin formed by the zygomatic bone laterally and maxilla medially. This is a nasion, anterior root of the nose. Then anterior nasal spine, it is a sharp projection seen at that anteriorly. So nasal bone is the most commonly fractured bone on the face. So other bones, other than nasal bone, this is mandible and parietal eminence. These are the bones next to nasal bones to be fractured. So these are the bone sutures, foramina, other important features present on the Norma frontalis. Thank you for listening.